Well, hey everybody, it's Tom here, and it is that time of year again. It is the semi-annual Charlotte Motor Speedway car truck big swap meet show. So I got the camera taking you guys along. Got my buddy Brad and his wife. Wes couldn't make it this year. Jim Deadman couldn't make it, he's on a cruise, and Mike Hale is unfortunately sick with the flu, so it's just a small crew today. But weather is perfect. It is like October, so hopefully we are going to find us some killer deals. Crowd looks pretty good for a Friday. We had to park way in the back, so that's a sign that it's going to be a good day. Weather is perfect. It's like 50 something now. It's going to be a high of maybe 65. So awesome picking weather. So hopefully we'll find us some good deals. Got to go grab me a ticket here and get in and start the plunder. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you supporting the channel. I hope you enjoy this kind of stuff, something different. I'm the guy with the little red wagon.
Luckily, he told me what kind of fire.
Okay. Good looking 56 right there. Probably head up to her that way.
Got it back on. I tell him how long it lasts.
Nice Chevy Cheyenne. Oh. Couple shop heaters.
Go to the far left, you get the right, and they give you a towel that says Hellcat if you get down to Ring Street. Full bore.
Got General E in the house. Looks like a good resto. As you can see, there's a smorgasbord of knickknacks, a little bit of everything. Ooh, some scroll cages. Work out perfect for shop fans. Not bad prices, 25, 30 bucks. Need a sandblaster. It's like a regular, well, no, I was gonna say kind of looked like a Harbor Freight cabinet, but it looks better actually. Nice 61 old Apache truck there. Still on a hunt for some machinist stuff. Haven't seen anything yet.
In the garage?
So we got tool man here set up with stuff. I think it's all the normal mix of stuff. I don't know if he's got anything decent or not. A few knickknacks. Hey.
You had a good time. Go ahead and take your nap.
Yeah, there you go. Look at this wind thing. Look how awesome it is.
Couple hoists. Poor test light. And nothing striking my fancy. So if you remember last year, I showcased this old Willie's wagon. I guess he's still here. Oh, I see a sold sticker on the front windshield, so somebody finally bought it. Cool.
Sorry, buddy. Oh.
Got maybe what, 4.5 inch, maybe 5 inch jaw, Colombian vise, and some pipe wrenches. Cool oil and maybe kerosene cans. Is that a grinder, I guess? Some rusty gold, some old jacks. Oil cans. Some chain. That's a big eagle.
Yeah.
Some cast iron. Guy's got some cool Petrolina here. Some old gas cans. Look at the oil cans. Pretty neat. Rusty gold. Some more cans down here. Look at that old gasoline can, a 1 gallon. She's cute. Oh, finally some machinist stuff. Some O-backs, 5/8, a couple pieces. Let's see what this chuck is. If it's an import. No, it's an Albrecht. Morse taper on her. Couple other things. Alright, let me go put the camera down and see what I got. So we kind of come out of the parts area, and this is where they park all the vehicles. If you want to show them or sell them, here's a 53 5 window. Asking $49 for her. She's sharp and straight though. Good looking Chevy here. Nah, 4-door. I don't know if it's a 3-door or not, but it's a 4-door.
It's not perfect, but it's cool from a distance.
No, she's nice. So you set up the cars all around there, and you display them. A lot of the car clubs set up here too. And they got the Hellcat out here. That's what you hear squealing. You can take it for a drive for I'm not sure how much. Burn some rubber. Good looking 67 Camaro right here. Convertible. I don't like that they did kind of retrofit. They kind of upgraded the interior. But you got a LS3, the 6.2 liter. Bet she screams. And that's the track that they're burning the Hellcats down on. I guess he's done. Okay, so apparently you just get to ride them, you don't get to drive. We're sitting by the air compressor, so sorry about that. But almost tagged the wall.
You got a good ride.
Yeah, he did.
You got a good ride.
All right, we hitting the food court. Time for some lunch. Find us some overpriced hot dogs or hamburgers, you know, or some chicken tenders for like $8. But you know, hey, it's only twice a year. Support the local vendors. Look at this little gem.
Baby one. You gotta have a baby one. Come on.
That's funny. I think it's a little Atlas.
Dude, that thing's so. You got.
Right. Well, 618. Let me see here.
We've got room.
I don't know.
It doesn't come with the change gears, though, does it? So.
What's wrong?
It is a. Oh no, it's a little South Bend. Little South Bend lathe.
All right, I got something. I gotta start with something. This could be my first piece.
Good looking original porcelain signs. Got an assortment of straps. The strap man is here. Oh, cool. Huh. Little Jeep grill. That's pretty cool. Southside Virginia emergency crew.
You should get that.
Nice old test meter. So far, been lucking out. The only thing I got was that Albrecht chuck and a couple pieces of high-speed steel that he threw in for the deal. So, still on the hunt. So we're at the Junkman's vendor spot. He always has some cool knickknacks. He's got a Babalu, I think, American-made bench vise there. Got a couple snap-on dial torque wrenches. This one's 3/4, nice big one. A little 1 ton or half ton arbor press, but it's import. And I don't know if you can see the wooden box there. That's a sheer Tamiko depth mic. And like I said, he always has a few good things to pick through. So I did score. Didn't show you guys, did score these Williams face spanner wrenches. I thought $10 wasn't bad. So that's cool find. Check out the old Chevy. Is this awesome or what? It's a 90. Whoo, she's a big one. 1958, 355 speed.
Are you really? Okay. They wouldn't let us come over here at 4 o'clock, so
Got it as a rollback, old Ramsey winch. Oh, it's got a drivetrain. Yeah. How'd they get it here? They ain't got a rear axle. Huh. If I can get a peek on the inside. Don't know how they got it here. They ain't got a rear axle.
What?
Yeah. That is cool though. That's what the inside looks like. Not too bad for a starter truck, I guess. Got a selection of kind of cool old cans, but we found a neat old post rail. You see that says D5. So you can find a maker's mark on her. Pretty cool. Don't see a maker's mark on her. That's pretty neat, pretty old. Any of you guys kind of got an idea what brand or make this is? Put it in the comments. So that's the only markings I see on it. Well, hey everybody, we're back from the show, and this is my measly plunder. So the weather was great, but the pickings weren't. So I hardly got anything. It was disappointing to say the least, but still had a good time. So let me just highlight the things I got. Probably first off, I found the chuck, and this is an Albrecht chuck, and she is a goes from 1/8 of an inch to 5/8 of an inch. She feels nice and smooth, so pretty happy there. I'll just go ahead, you know, I gotta change the arbor. And the guy threw in the 2 pieces of Momax Cobalt 5/8 by 5/8 high-speed steel. Well, it's not high-speed steel, it's Cobalt high-speed steel. So that was a total of $50, so I didn't think that was a bad buy. And let's see, found these set of spanner wrenches, number 484. This is a J.H. Williams. Guy wanted $10. Thought that was a good deal, so I grabbed that. Since I'm in Virginia now, I figured I'd swap the tags on the old CJ Jeep. So I grabbed a Virginia 1972. And came as a set because Virginia is one of those weird states where they have 2 license plates. So you got to put one on the front of your vehicle and in the back. You know, I've lived in North Carolina almost my whole life, and we just have one in the back. So I'll put one on the wall, and I'll put one on the CJ. And lastly, I spotted this cool little water fountain. Imagine this will bring back some memories to the viewers. If you were a kid, you know, out on the playground or, you know, in your elementary school, you had one of these little water fountains. Guy wanted $5, so I was like, yeah, that's cool. I'll put this in the shop. You know, threads look good. Even came with the original aluminum brackets, so figured it'd be a good buy for $5. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed going along for the ride, so to speak, for the truck, car, and swap meet. It wasn't as fruitful as I'd like, but you know, you never know what you're going to find. You know, it's hit or miss. So with that, I'd like to say, you know, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing. Hit that red banner down there. It doesn't cost you a single cent. And for all the subscribers that have been with me from day one, I appreciate you guys hanging in there. I appreciate the support. And stay tuned, because the new shop build is, you know, breaking ground. Matter of fact, they were actually breaking ground when we were at the car show. They were digging the footings, so that's exciting. So can't wait. We'll have some more footage of hopefully, you know, the concrete and the pad being poured, and then, you know, the building should be delivered. So exciting stuff. So with that, I'll sign off and say see you later, guys.